Ayo mulai.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm having one emergency meeting today because I believe there is an urgent topic that has to be settled right away. I'm going to talk about two concerns that currently troubling the film at this is the discussion. The first concern revenue, while the second concern semi-shell asset in the company product. Okay, let's get this meeting started. The company revenues have dropped by 20% in the previous 3 months, and this trend is projected to continue in the months ahead. This company shares cyclical, with sales increasing the spring and summer, but decreasing in the winter. As a result, our inventory is too high and believe we should cut output. The company employs nearly 200 tailors who are paid according to the number of pieces they sew in a day, and each of them makes about 150 pieces in a day. I think they here in need to reduce this number to around 100 pieces in a day. Your maybe the company keeps all staff working around 5 hours a day, or the company lays off about 60 to 70 hours. I think I need each of you's opinion to this. Before that, I would like to ask the chief Sensei to explain the problem of pollution that occurs.
Sumpah, Mbak. Kak, kau bilang sama pacar. Kak, semua belum nyala. Kau bilang kak. Tipu. Kok tipu? Itu nggak percaya. Kak, sama belum nyala ya? Belum. Iya. Belum. Apa? Bujur pisan lah itu orang bujur kita itu.
An early article to be published a major scandal. I think that the antibacterial solution is in the company's producing product are potentially harmful to the environment, and where we know the all amounts of the chemical are passed into wastewater during production, and very small amounts can waste clothes waste is passed and passed through treatment plants into rivers and waterways. Even if the supplier manages to filter the chemical from the wastewater from production, it can be very expensive and not stop the chemical from releasing when the customer washes the clothes. I think there I have no alternative but to stop using this semicell in the company's products. Because when a customer wishes their clothes, it realizes a small amount of the semicell. But even job is small within the existing legal image, I think the company has a clear ethical obligation not to pollute environment.
I concur with the Safe client's remarks. If we continue to employ chemicals that destroy the environment, I am concerned about the company's reputation. Our apparel is extremely costly and of great quality. I believe that our clients are concerned about environmental problems. This is more of an instance of how people might quit buying our apparel goods if they learn that the substances in them are harmful. On the other side, if we cast until using the chemicals or other compounds with similar effects, it will be an issue for the firm, as the fabric similar reuse is one of its primary selling features. From this, I would like to suggest trying to find similar but not toxic chemical. Using Wikinomics principle, I will be posing a challenge to developing chemicals on a website like Innocent Type and offering an who propose a solution to the challenge. In the meantime, we will continue to use the existing chemicals.
I'm a little concerned about CEO suggestion that if people start working part-time, they might not be able to support themselves, and if a firm fire highly skilled employees, there's no assurance that the company will be able to rehire them when sales start up again and the employees find new positions. My suggestion is that we keep all for our employees and provide them with additional training until sales grow. Then pay them the same as before. In the future, this is likely to lead to higher motivation, loyalty, and productivity.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my opinion. What if all of those companies' production was moved to a country with a much stable workforce because of the risk production zones in your country? Only few costing companies produce their products. We can move production to a country with lower banks and good favorable working conditions as well as less strengths and ways allowing us to keep using the industrial countries with authority. Health. I blogged in iTunes for opposing any certain that could harm the company at this time. Thank you.
Thank you in advance for all of for your comments. I really appreciate it. but I'm curious as to what your marketing manager holding if we treat a similar but non-toxic semi-shell. So what materials are we allowed to us?
Our company currently manufactures polyester sportswear, and our safe science has stated that the material used in our product is currently harmful to the environment. As a result, I believe we can switch from polyester to cotton combat for production. This cotton shirt is a favorite of mine because it is comfortable for everyday wear as well as sportswear. This material is made of 100% cotton fiber, resulting in excellent absorption and, most importantly, the absence of any chemical substance in this clothing material.
That's right. As I know, combat cotton contains no chemical and it is of forest softest cotton fabric that has been combat before being spun into spools of yarn. Because this fabric is 100% cotton, it easily absorbs sweat and is cool when used. We can replace your production material with this material.
What if, as a result of the company sales decline over the last 3 months, we create a new product using this combat cotton material? For example, production children, sportswear, casual t-shirt, casual pants, and so on.
I agree on that. Two counters these companies slice line over the last 3 months. New products must be introduced. Combined often is more expensive than plaster, as far as I'm aware. But this is not a problem because this quality and performance of products custom for the pieces that operation.
What if we create a new product out of spandex? Because people who exercise will stretch their bodies a lot. I believe this spandex material is suitable for sportswear. It has elastic properties and the ability to stretch its shape very high, up to 5 times its original size.
I think spandex material is not suitable for use for sports because according to what I know, spandex material cannot absorb sweat. So if used on sports clothes, I can trap the sweat that is released and cause an unpleasant odor.
Yes, that is correct. Sportswear fabric must be elastic, comfortable to wear, absorb sweat, and have strong fibers.
How about cotton bamboo material? This cotton material is on the rise because it is environmentally friendly. During this time, bamboo trees are often used as building materials. Then in recent years, there has been an innovation to convert bamboo fiber into cotton.
Ivy also read in an article which stated that this cotton bamboo material is stronger and more durable than other types of cotton. Then this material is also easy to absorb sweat and most importantly, this material in environmentally friendly.
I have also come across a statement that this fabric is environmentally friendly because it is made from natural materials. Cotton bamboo fiber is very easily decomposed, so it does not leave waste that will have a bad effect on the environment.
People have been looking for this type of fabric for a few years now. It is typically used as a fabric for children's clothing because it is safe and comfortable. It is also recommended to use this fabric for sports shirts because it contains a cool material that keeps the body cool even when exposed to the sun.
Besides being cool and having good absorption, this cotton bubble fabrics allows fast antibacterial production. So it can be said that this is good for someone who has sensitive skin. This cloth will not cause disease and definitely contribute to pumps.
Cotton bamboo is often more costly when compared to combat cotton. This sort of material is used by several well-known manufacturers to create high-quality fashion items. The properties of the cotton bamboo material, which are extraordinarily soft, elastic, and lightweight, are inextricably linked to this. Cotton bamboo shirts are quite pleasant to wear on many occasions.
Everyday use or for sports.
Okay, for your new product, we will use this cotton combat and cotton bamboo material. We officially not a Tyler because we are launching a new product. As a result, I made the decision to keep the Tyler working according to their schedules. But first, the company needed to conduct some research and analysis before beginning production on a new product until the investigation and analysis are complete. The company will continue to operate according to the rules. Okay, I believe today's meeting will come to a close now that a solution has been found. Thank you all for your time and welcome back to work.
Coba record itu dulu, wis iso ta?